Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing January's base box, which I'm really excited for. I got it super early by comparison to the last couple of months, which is one of the many reasons I haven't been doing videos. We are in my kitchen today. We have my toddler with me, so I'm going to try to make this as short and sweet as possible. So I know there was supposed to be two options of palettes in the base box this month. One of them is what I received, which is a Ciate London, the Velvet palette. Another option was supposed to be, gosh, I can't think of who it was by, but it's called Olive You, and it was predominantly a greens palette. And I really would have liked that because I love greens, are my favorite color. But this is really pretty and really great for, you know, blue eyes. We've got a lot of orange tones here and the pinks. These really pretty. We've got some mattes and we've got lots of shimmers. So let me swatch some of these for you. Look at that. So I'll do a couple of these on my wrist for you. I'll do a couple of the shimmers and a couple of the mattes. The shimmers are really pretty, and I'm not even getting them wet, so I don't know what they would be like wet. Because if they're this shimmery and pigmented, not wet, really pretty. Really pretty palette. I was just hoping for the Olive View one, and I'm really hoping that that's going to be on the add-ons this month so I can try to snag it up. I have a lot of neutrals, oranges, things like that. We just got the Natasha Denona orange palette, orangey tone palette in December, which was gorgeous. Was it December or November? Anyways, then next up is you could have received two different pharmacy items. Let me actually, the retail price for that palette was $30 too. So you could have received two different pharmacy products. This is the pharmacy Daily Greens. This is the oil-free gel moisturizer. I already took a sniff of it and it smells really good. For me, it kind of smells like either sherbet or, like Neapolitan ice cream. Yeah, I don't know. It smells really, really good. That's what it looks like. Very gel-like. The other option you could have gotten in your base box this month would have been the pharmacy toner. And it, I have a lot of toners right now. It came in a very nice, like, frosted glass bottle as well. A good size. This retails for $38. Next up is, the Lifestyle Co. Reset Mist, which is, this is what it looks like. This was one of the choice items, and this is the item that I chose. It smells very lavendery, very good. It smells very good, and it's supposed to be for your body as a body mist, or you can spray it, as a room mist. Maybe even like on your pillow, since it is like a reset lavender time pillow, possibly pillow spray. Next, let's see, we are gonna go with the and that retailed also for $38. So both of those last items were $38. Then the next item is the Dr. Brandt Dna, which is Do Not Age, triple peptides eye cream. This retails for $82. So let's take a look. I have a lot of eye creams going on right now, so I don't know necessarily if I'll be opening this one up. to be checking it out just yet, but that's what the tube looks like. And I've heard great things about this as well. Our next item is, okay, that one's over here. The Queen Studios Dragon Duo. So we've got two different, this retails also for $28, just so you know. This has two different eyeliners in it. They're both black. One is more like a pencil. And it's very creamy. Sorry. Very creamy, very nice. Hi. Oh, can you go put Dash in your bedroom? And then this is a liquid with a very nice point. And you can hear it. It's got a little shaker ball in there. That's the bottom one there. It goes on very, very nicely. And you can tell that it's wet. Now these I would probably store upside down. So this was just a real quick, just go through my products for my base box. It didn't really have a variation on this. It just says, maybe it's DA. That's what our variation looks like. I've seen a couple people open up PR boxes, and it was a very similar variation. This is supposed to be, the theme is Fresh Start for January. Just to give you kind of an idea, I'll put this up on the screen. And this is what the other side of it looks like for Fresh Start for 2021. It's, you know, hopefully we are in a better place at the end of this year than how we ended 2020. So with that regard, I hope you have an amazing new year. I hope you have an amazing year, and that it is leaps and bounds better than what 2020 was for the majority of us. I know a lot of us lost people last year, lost people we weren't expecting to lose to COVID and not to COVID, and that was really rough, I know, for a lot of people. If they had to be hospitalized, not being able to be there for them, and if they did pass, the very limit of what funerals were like last year. And you know, though there was a lot of bad, I hope we can also see the good from last year, and that whatever good we had from last year manifests into this year and carries through. Just hold on to anything that did come positive from last year. Hold on to that and let it breathe life into this year for you and for all of us, for your family and your loved ones. And may God bless you. And we will be doing the January premium box. Hopefully within the next week, I'll be receiving that too. Thank you very much. And lots more things to come. Thank you.